Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park field. I'm going to take up Draco again. Right, left, up, down, right, left.
Landing flaps.
Flaps working. All right.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Landing flaps.
There we go, just as pretty as you please.
Flaps up.
Oh, that's a good looking bird, isn't it? Let's do a grass takeoff.
Landing flaps.
Bring her by nice and slow. We can really get a good look at her. There you go.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Man, that's a good looking bird.
Flaps up.
Sorry about the sun, folks.
Landing flaps.
Had to jerk my head, a gnat flying on me.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Flaps up.
Flying up over the clubhouse. I know I shouldn't, but I'm the only one here. Well, me and my wife's here, but she's under structure.
Landing flaps.
So, land her here in the grass.
Brakes on. Flaps on.
Think about those brakes. You don't, if you do it in the air, I'm not going to do it in the air. But if you do it in the air, you really got to give yourself a little bit of time because it takes a few seconds for it to.
Brakes on.
It takes it a few seconds to engage and disengage, so you need to be aware of that if you're going to use it. Okay, I've still got a minute.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Wind is basically now out of the north.
Landing flaps. up. 7, 6, 5,
All right, folks, there you go. That is the infamous, famous, wonderful to fly, easy to fly, great Draco. Folks, thank you so much for watching. This is Fat Guy Flyers RC. What do you want to hear for you touch a plane?
motor off.
You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Thank you so much, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.